Hi there, Michael. My name is Marcy Hutton. I was speaking with Deanna the other day. She gave me your email and said you were the one to shoot this video for. Now, what I'm going to show you in this video, I've done a quick look over your site, and actually you're doing fabulous. So you're kind of a really good example of how these things work. But I'm going to go ahead and just kind of educate you a bit anyways. So what I do is I show people 3 things that they can do to bring in more customers to their business. Now, you're probably asking yourself, why do I do this? Well, when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And so, sometimes their only hesitation in hiring somebody, if they haven't got anybody already, I'm kind of guessing you might, then they don't really know who's an expert and who isn't. So that's why I offer up these 3 free videos to business owners to kind of educate them a little bit, and they can go ahead and take the tips that I give them and implement them themselves. That's all good too. The 3 things that I touch on with business owners are the content, citations, and backlinks around their websites. So by content, I mean what I've got highlighted here. So as I said, I did kind of take a quick look, and you've done a great job, and it shows with your metrics, where you've got content, you've got the words in here, so Google can match it up with your searchers. And I think this is really great how you've got this laid out, and content for each one. So good job there. They like to see, particularly on the homepage, you could even add a bit more. They like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words on the homepage. At least you've got it on your back pages there. I'm just going to check something out here. Now you can see here's an opportunity where you could just get speak to Google a little bit more. You can see it's just a bunch of letters and whatnot. Well, that picture could be named. For example, for this particular search, I used window replacement Vancouver, and you're not, for that particular search term, I'm sure there are terms that you're showing up on the first page of the search, but for that one, you're not. So, that these pictures can be named window replacement Vancouver, Vancouver window replacement, and it would just be optimizing more that search term to have you show up. As I mentioned, they like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words on a homepage. And as they go out and crawl, they kind of document what each site has until they recrawl it, and then they'll update their documentation. But if they crawl and they see a site that's got a couple hundred words on the homepage, because that's the first page the searcher's seeing, they want to keep searchers on their search engine. That's how they make money. So, one site's got a couple hundred and the other one's got 1,500. They will definitely see the one with the 1,500 words of content, so long as it isn't plagiarized and it's good, authoritative, well-written content. They're going to show that site higher in the search results. So there's that. Second thing, citations. What a citation is it's a place on the internet where you're going to find your exact business name, address, and phone number. So like 411, Yellow Pages, Yelp listings, there's thousands of directories on the internet. So the more places that you're cited, and you're doing quite well actually. I put the search term into a citation finder. So it looks like you're doing well. It's just they will tend to follow who's going to show up. I'm sure you are in the maps for searches with the metrics that you're showing me. Just for this particular search term, you're not. They tend to follow who's ranking on the first page. I mean, you can never really 100% figure out Google, but we do the best we can to find out what it is that they like and what they want to see. But bottom line is, the more citations that you have and beat out your competitors by a long shot, that is going to help for you to be appearing up in one of these top 3. And the third thing, backlinks. So what a backlink is it's a link from it's when a third-party site on the internet links to your website. And how that benefits you, and the easy way to kind of understand this is, if you think of the internet as being like a big popularity contest, when other sites vote for yours, aka link to yours, Google crawls, they see this, and they're in turn going to push you up higher in the search because they see you as the popular one. All these sites are paying attention to you. When it comes to backlinks, they're not all created equal. So some backlinks are far more powerful than others, and getting links from sites that have been on the internet for a while, they're credible. Google trusts them. They're relevant to what it is that you do. Then the power of their site passes down to yours. So when it comes to quality, quantity is always going to win when it comes to the backlinks. But what I did was I took your site and I put it into this this tool that shows me what's going on behind the scenes, and it shows me that you have 40 other sites on the internet that are linking to yours, giving you a couple hundred backlinks, that you're being found for a couple hundred organic keywords, and that you're getting roughly 550 or so visitors to your site each month, unique visitors to your site. So that's really great. And this is a really good example. Your site is a really good example of not all links being created equal, because this guy here who has 114, 600 backlinks, being found for 900 keywords is getting less traffic to his site each month. This is what I was looking at years before. If we look at these organic keywords, it can show. That's why I suspect that you probably have somebody working with you. They've done a good job, because all these number ones means you are showing up in the number one position for search terms: glass company Vancouver, glass cutting Vancouver, custom glass Vancouver, glass shop Vancouver. So great job in getting you up there onto the first page of the search. That's what all these numbers show. So it was just I happened to just manage to pick that one search term that you're not up there for. So there you go. There's an opportunity. Now I'm going to leave it at that. Michael, I don't like to go on too long in these. I know everybody's busy. I just like to offer up that information. So I'll follow up with Deanna to make sure that you did receive this and have a chance to watch it. Happy to answer any questions if you have any for me. And your feedback would actually be really great. So we'll talk to you soon.